Don't think I can do that one yet. Okay. Whew. Things working, kind of working. Sorry guys, it's cold and overcast and my brain feels like it wants to explode today. So I got this on because I feel like it's keeping my head together. I did take some medicine this morning, so hopefully it kicks in soon. Wow, that's all I can say. Just wow. So if I just look like I'm zoning out. I'm trying to cope with whatever the heck is going on today with regards to my poor brain. Maybe it's just tired. It's just finished. Okay, there we go. That's better. Flipping bright light burning my retinas. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Did the PM have decent movement? No, but Asia did. Damn, what the heck? No, I lie. Yesterday afternoon actually had some movement. What the heck? So absolutely nothing. Till after I left and then it did its move. That's a bit rude, but whatever. That's fine, I guess. Oh, I'm busy talking to myself. I haven't sorted out my multi-chat. I'm so sorry. Give me 2 seconds, guys. There we go. Hey, Ash. How you doing? Take a break. Yeah, that's fine. I'll be fine. Trade Delicious. No, I just have a crazy headache today, but I'll be good. I'll be good. Maybe I just won't stay on live as long. Let's see. Maybe some good market conditions will make me feel better. But anyways, how's it going with you guys? How was trading? Did anyone trade the New York PM session? It looked like it was really good. I'm kind of jealous. I was only here for the AM where there was absolutely nothing. Which sucks, but it's fine. Ooh. Good coffee. I love it. Love a good cup of coffee in the morning to get you going before some amazing trades. Yeah. Potential here. There's the 80 bit of potential over there. Here we go. Okay, let's mark out. Here's New York low. Why is everyone being so quiet today? What's up? This is a juicy zone, I think. No. Here we go. Still last night. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Okay. Asia low is lining up with some equal lows. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. And Asia high is busy forming over here. Okay, I must have a look at the higher time frame. There's some relative equal lows there. We're going there. How does this look? Wow, that would have sucked. Anyways. Hey, yeah. there, I think. That looks good. Hey, Ethan, how's it going? And Laura, good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? How's gold been treating you, Laura? Laura, I say it says Laura Osborne Music. Are you a singer? Trading has been so bad. Why? What's been going on, Laura? Okay. What's been happening? Maybe I can help. You know. Will I? I'm not sure, but I could always try. This looks better. A little bit down. Maybe not. Let's see. I flipped, Laura. I'm so sorry. What the heck? Yeah, scams out there are real. That's really, really challenging. But like, do you just have a English? I will find it eventually. Do you just have a setup? There we go. That's what I was trying to aim for. Or what do you do? Hey, Solly, how you doing today? How's it going? Shoot. Let me check out higher time frames. Did make an inverse fair value gap there. Yeah, but I got right in the direction I wanted it to. I mean, That's the trade. This is a good trade. How big is it though? 20 points. Not bad. Not bad. Ethan, you know how there's no delay in the chat? Is there a delay? Aw, thanks, Tony. Yo, today, I mean, I look a little bit like a mess. I'm in a hoodie and a beanie, and we're doing it. This is not my best state, but we're saying screw it. We're doing this today. But is it open for morning London or not for an hour? Laura, not for an hour. I think, yeah, just short of an hour, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. So that would have been a loss. Pibby. Oh well. Ready to rumble. Luvitz, what up? How's it going? Oh, normally, yes, there's a delay. Oh, sorry. Is there no delay now today, or is there? Sorry. It's because I use a multi-stream chat. So there is a little bit of a delay, so I apologize for that. Oh, Tony, you're so sweet. Thanks. True, and yeah. Hell yeah, Envy. And I was just like, you know what? So in all honesty, I have a massive headache today, and the headband, you know when it's just not sitting nicely. So this is actually holding my brain together. So I'm like, this is cool. I can deal with this today. I can deal with my brain being held by a cute little beanie with a pom-pom on it today. Anyways. Hassan, holy chopped. Yep. Let's see. I think this trade right here could be really, really good. Is it gonna come down to this level though? I don't know if it's a little bit risky to be doing, what would you call this, post-Asia session? Post-Asia? Yeah, it's still the Asia market, or pre-London. Maybe you could call it pre-London. Ethan, yeah, probably. Yeah, sorry. Hey, the Betrayer. It's not that cold. I'm just a big baby. Yeah, I get cold for no reason. So, I mean, it's probably warm for a lot of people's standards. I think it's like 16 degrees and overcast. But it's fine. Hey, Geordie, how's it going? Oh, cool. So, headache buddies. So I was just like, great, we're doing this today. Diamante, I was looking at cells. No, I lie. Why am I saying cells? I was looking at buys. Sorry, Diamante. Free London. Thank you. Hey, LP. What's happening? So, Jordy, what I just do is I just take a gen pain. So I took a gen pain before, so this should go away like halfway through, and then I'll be good to go. I think just too much screen time. I've been doing a lot of work with lights in my eyeballs. That's not good, Ethan. What the heck? Is that from stress? I'm gonna assume it's from like stress and life stress. If this pops back down, yeah. Diamante, what do you think today is? Buys or sells? I mean, Ethan, I'm not one to talk. I actually don't eat that healthy. I should be better, but pizza's nummy. Envy, I saw, I had it marked out. I actually specifically didn't delete it, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, flip, maybe I did. No! Because it was around here. I saw your mark. Because remember, I made a note of it, and I saw a take, and I was like, hey! It hit perfectly! So, I'm assuming, did you stay in that trade the whole time, Envy? Okay, damn, Diamante, that's awesome. So now what, are you sticking with it? Do I prefer what? Slum the Stallion? I don't know what you're talking about, but anyways. Okay, so on the 15-minute. Okay, let's see what London brings. 1 hour. That's the thing. On the 1 hour, this is the range, but that's hectic. Anyways. Oh, got it, Slub. I was like, what? Ethan, I'm all ears. Go on. Tell me. Oh, you've been chasing Livets and happy, sad? Happy llama, sad llama. Sorry. You guys are gonna get the most random stuff today. Good luck. Enjoy. Jordy, I mean, we have some time, quick stick. Should we quickly have a look at the gold for funsies? Let's... Oh, I'm looking at the wrong freaking thing. Here we go. Gold. Should we look at the micro gold? Let's look at the micro gold, because if I was to trade gold, I would probably trade the micros. Okay, so obviously I don't have anything set up here. Let's go to yesterday's London session, because yesterday was shocking. Meow. Here we go. So I am looking at the 1 minute, so I don't know if that's giving it fair chance. right there. Really good setup. 1. Right. Oh, flip. Forwarded. Yeah, where would I have placed this? Depends on how quick that was. 2. 2 setups. This one then would have been a loss. 3. I mean, the movement doesn't look so bad. What is going on? Sorry. There's chaos happening. There we go. Sorry, where my horse is, she's sending me videos of my horse playing with all the other horses. It's very, very cute. He is adorable. Let's see this one. Okay, accumulation over here. Oof. Bruh, half. Sucked. I mean, the movements aren't terrible. Yeah, sorry, Jordy, I was looking at London. So that's London up until here. Yeah, this has been London. Down, this little bit of accumulation. Yeah, I mean, it's not terrible. It's better than what NQ was yesterday. Oh, I've missed a bunch. I'm sorry. Okay, which country am I? I'm from South Africa. How are you doing? Might taste disgusting, but by a half teaspoon of baking soda may. What, Ethan? What? Are you serious? Does that work? I've also heard like adding salt to the water or something works. I'm like, anyways. Hey, some guy. Happy Wednesday or happy hump day. We're getting there. We're getting there. How's it going? Oh, but downside, you end up burping for ages, Ethan. Thanks. Thanks for the heads up. Continue until it stops, but we could shop here for the London Open. But I say keep buying it until it proves otherwise. I mean, Diamante, I think that's the only thing you can do with all-time highs. You keep buying until it shifts, and then you go, okay, it looks like we're selling now. Hey Jose, how's it going? In the Fed decrease rates, I think the market will continue going up. Really? Hey Scalper, how's it going? Oh damn, Lupus, look at you go. I mean, isn't silver, I don't want to say common, that sounds terrible. I guess it depends on what silver, because you get different types of silver. Do you? You do get different types of silver. Yes. Yes. I think it is still a great idea. Does work, but tastes like seawater. I mean, at this point, Ethan, I might as well just walk to the beach and just take a sip of the ocean. Maybe that'll work. Scare me into not having a headache. It's not bad to get that done. Ooh, nice, some guy. Okay. I guess sometimes the revenge trades aren't too bad. No, I'm joking. Don't do revenge trades. Some guy's just good. Why? What do you mean? There we go. You absolute little brat. See, now I'm a little bit nervous because no, but it's not open yet. Is this a bad idea or a good idea? Bad idea or a good idea to do pre-London? What do we think about pre-London? Ethan, oh, that's cool though. Okay, then some guy, then it's fine. Then it's fine. Why do you think so, Shub? Free London can be good, but hold that baby for like ever. Right, some guy, that's the thing. Some guy, was that the trade that you took? Yes. They say not to trade pre-market. It's like the market's in like half an hour. I got half an hour for this to play out. But no, I know. It's probably a bad idea. Ethan, do I do any sports? Horse riding. Hell yeah. Hey, Christian, what's up? Oh, Silver Bullet Trader. What's up? How you doing? About to put you on game. What game? And I'm Snick. Hi. Shub, you can't just say it's a bad idea without saying why it's a bad idea. Like, you have to have some logic behind it. And if it's just your gut saying it's a bad idea, then just say it's your gut saying it's a bad idea. This is a learning platform. Not me teaching, just putting it out there. But you guys helping me out and helping me learn further. So if you say take it or don't take it, you have to at least give me a little bit of indication as to why it's a good or bad idea. Snake and his cuteness are worth a look. Okay. I'm going to boxing, but I've done horse riding. My body weight too much until I end up collapsing on my bed. Damn, Ethan. I mean, listen, so I also love going to gym. I did some kickboxing as well. That was lots of fun. Oh. Flip, it's doing some seek and destroy here. Yes, search and destroy? Same thing. Christian, doing good, just rainy weather. Yep, it's nice and overcast, that's why I look like this today. Sorry guys, I know this is not the usual Maya look, but we're going with it. We're going with it today. Win? Roberto? Whoop whoop? Have I looked into different strategies? Jose, absolutely I have. Pokemon? What? Pokemon? What about Pokemon? You want to see my Pokemon cards? I have Pokemon cards. Ethan, me and you sound similar. If I sleep during the day, you know that I'm sick. That's the only time I can nap during the day, is when I'm sick. Stick, what game? I'm so confused. Oh, you do... but... Who? Squeakity? When is Silver going to crash? Dark Clorox? Anyone have an idea? When Silver is going to crash? No? Anyone know? Pocket Broker. Oh, you're just throwing names out there. Okay. Hey, John, how's it going? Oh, of course, I love all of my views. Go on then. Thanks, some guy. Silver and gold will crash when the war breaks out. Do we think there's going to? Nope. Nearly asked that question. I was like, let's not go into politics today. It's a pity. This looks like it could be potential, but I feel like pre-market is. Hey Joe, how's it going? Faces. Hi, what am I drinking? Coffee? Coffee? Yes. Caffeine. Good. Anyways. SFM. Am I waiting for a call opportunity? What do you mean call opportunity? Do you mean am I waiting for a good trade? To be fair, I'm kind of waiting for London Open, but I'm marking a bunch of things as we go to see how the market's looking today. Quam, Nasdaq buy. Ooh, there's a lot of things going on here. Who's that? Squeaker to you? Now I kind of gotta go look. Is that someone on YouTube? In the next 2 weeks, multiple crypto treasuries are releasing earnings and making it first report of earnings. Thanks, stock. Glorix just. Coffee's great. So reversing general question, is that a cup? Ethan, what? You are Russian. Hi. Am I? I'm getting very confused. I feel like I'm behind 20,000 steps, but it's fine. What up, Jordy? Oh, thanks, Jordy. Yes. Yeah, that's what plants? To be fair, guys, I can't have pot plants. I've only had one plant that has survived, and his name is Sparkle Bro. Otherwise, I call it like a dead thumb. I don't have a green thumb, I have dead thumbs because I keep killing plants. Even plants that everyone's like, you can't kill these. So I just have Sparkle Bro, he's just indestructible, and I have a bunch of... oh my gosh, what are they called? Wow! Maybe I need to down the coffee. My brain needs to wake up. There we go, Lego flowers. You know those Lego sets? That's it. I can't kill those. Oh! I take tiny sips, even if that's yep. You do the final countdown. Son, long way to go. What, do you think it's gonna go down, son? Napoleon, have I traded both yet? No, sorry. Yeah, I was a YouTuber. Squeaker Tea, now I kind of want to go and see what they look like. Alpha, to be fair, it was just like that. I didn't change anything. When I popped on with my broker, or my prop firm, ta-da! It was enabled. Marzia, how's it going? How's the moving? Napoleon trying to set up for... I won't be mad. Just maybe a bit disappointed. Oh boy, what am I trying to short? Hey, check down, don't worry, I'm not doing anything yet. Yet. The game. Oh, got it. Joe, I try. Well, sometimes I don't even try, I'm just funny because I do dumb things. Part of who I am. I feel like I need to add this pin right here because it's cute as hell. Anyways. That would not be called a dead thumb. They would be called a red thumb if you can never match grow plants and end up get. Wait, is that like an actual thing, Ethan? Like it's called a red thumb? I guess it would make sense because, you know, green and red are opposite. I always called it a dead thumb because I just kept killing plants and I felt really bad. Scalper, that's valid. And I keep them alive really well. I hope. No, I'm joking. They're good. They're good. I checked out NEE. No, I haven't. Sorry, Phil. My brain. Sorry, this is a South African thing. My brain went near. You're South African, you understand. Hey, RX. So damn pretty. Thank you. Am I Australian? No, I am South African. Is it Trading View? No, so I'm on Project X. Sorry, this is Project X, and I'm with Top One Futures. That's the prop I'm using. Oliver, I don't want to say it's wool. I don't think it's properly wool, but it has a cute little pom-pom. Ooh, really, Envy? So Envy, what are you looking for? Or what are you hoping for? Maybe let's ask that question. Saloma Mohammed. Hi, how you doing? Luvitz, I'm up nothing. I haven't taken a trade. Thank heavens, because I would have lost all the ones that I was looking at. Well, I say that. That's why I don't trade free market. Faces valid. Hey! E8 momentum. Fund giveaway. Damn, how much money do you think I have? Joe, have I got food? I have not got food. Coffee's food, right? Yeah. Then I got food. Got my coffee. Then I'm good to go. Okay, Snake, I'll have a look. Boom Banana, yes and no. It's not like colder than usual, but I had a headache and my headbands were feeling too tight, and this feels like it's holding my brain together while things kick in like coffee and so. Sorry, Boom, you get to see my cute little pom-pom today, and I can then cover my face if I don't want to deal with things. Anyway, sorry. Bone, what's my young butt doing? That's a very interesting question. Are you asking what I'm doing here? Anyways, I am waiting. Damn, look at this. Waiting for confirmation. Waiting for confirmation. I'm talking absolute rubbish. Give me a second. I'm waiting for London Open. That's what I'm doing. Honestly, Maya, talking rubbish so early in the morning. See, at least I hopped on early, gave me a chance to mark out some potential zones. I checked all the different time frames. Definitely on a bullish freaking trend. Can't deny that one. Diamante, did you get in on this? And SFM, you're asking if I'm Australian, not Australian. Hi, Live. How's it going? Tokyo became a republic 102 years ago today. Oh, hi, Live. That's so cool. So what do you do to celebrate? Is it like a public holiday? Do you guys, I don't know. Or do you do anything? That is so cool. Well, then, happy Republic Day? Yes? Does it have a specific name? Alex Simpson, do I trade New York session? Yes, I do. I trade both London and New York. What the hell am I doing in Africa? I mean, I was born here, lived here my whole life. Anshul, I'm currently on the 1 minute. I do hop between. I've been trying to be better at hopping between and getting my confirmations. from higher time frames, but yeah, currently I'm on the 1 minute. Royal Major, hi. Joe, share, what am I sharing? Just been reviewing BTC price action. There was a really nice long setup at 1 AM. Why these things gotta happen in the middle of the night? Some guy, I'm convinced that as traders, actually maybe sleep is just not an option. And you must just proceed as you are and go with it. If it did come down a tiny bit further, this would have been a really good trade. Just saying. But it didn't come down to... I was looking at this trade. Entry would have been at 50%. Damn. Let's check. That's nearly hit TP. During Asian market, that's not bad. Aw, thanks, Boom. Have you never seen the beanie? Meditation. Who's saying? Livitz meditation? Or what? Hi, Prish, how you doing? And Royal Major, how's it going? Thank you, come back. I wasn't ready. I don't know why, but that actually just made my day. I've had that a few times where I'm like, oh, no, wait! I made a mistake! Come back! Matt, why? Could I not have been born in Africa? Like, do you want to see my birth certificate or something? Did London open already? It did not. London's only opening at... So I'm going to use South Africa time. 10 AM, so in the next 19 minutes, if we're being specific. Aw, Joe, thank you. You're very, very sweet. Boom, you're also very sweet. Thank you for saying I look cute with the beanie on. Oh, Simon! That's rude. What if my hair's just a mess? And also, what if I'm just a baby that does not like the cold at all? Diamante, no sleep Monday to Friday. Diamante, do you actually not? Surely you sleep. Surely you sleep. Eric, no. I think the candlesticks just... I don't know how to say this without sounding weird. It's just nicer on my eyes to have them this color. I don't know if that sounds weird. Time frame, I'm on the 1 minute. Am I supposed to buy low and sell high, or buy high and sell low? Matt, you're supposed to buy low and sell high. And basically every night I need... Oh, some guy, you funny. Oh, thanks, Super Trader. Yeah, my subtitles, if you will. Because that's the problem. If I go out in public, a lot of people tell me that I'm being too loud. And I'm like, I'm not talking, like, know your face. I'm like, oh, right. Sometimes I do. I sit there and if someone's doing something silly, I'm like, and then people are like, you're being really loud. Oh, at least you know I can never lie to you. I would also never be able to play poker. I do not have a poker face at all. Yeah. Bulanox is a prop firm. Yes, I'm affiliated, sorry, with Bulanox. Yep. What happened in London? Oh, sorry, I'm missing quite a bit of questions. Apologies if I've missed everything. Sorry. You hate the cold in Canada, that's why you live in Thailand now. Oh, that, you know what? I've been wanting to go to Thailand. I really want to go and visit. Man, why does this look so good just before London opened? It got me... That's a potential problem. What's this look like on the 5 minute? That's good, but not terrible either. Would be better with the entry a little bit higher. Okay, if I've missed any messages, I apologize. Xander, apparently trying to keep warm correlates to giving bad financial advice. Apparently. I'll bear that in mind, guys. I'll be freezing next time, okay? I'll just wear, like, nothing. No. Anyways, I realized as I was saying it, it's public holiday called Republic Holiday. There we go. Many numerous activities happening now at schools and in public spaces. Important, they need to know the difference between being subject and so. That's so cool, High Life. So what are the plans for today? Are you just gonna trade today, or are you gonna go have some fun? What's your plans? Fire Blast, am I okay? No, I'm good. Hey Ethan, welcome back. Thought women are just nah. Oh, I wanted to make my bad joke, and I was just like, don't do it, it's not worth it. Not worth it. Aw, thanks for the new subscriber. Matt, you're going to invest in the world's largest turnip. I mean, you do you. FPS Birds, what up? How you doing? Some guy. Yeah, this turnip sounds promising. I like it. No, sorry, Eric. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, not on Forex. And Rip, what up? How you doing? Do we think gold is going up or down? Anyone trading gold? What do we think? Gold going up or down? Hey, Remy. How you doing? Going long on turnips? Oh, some guy? I hear you. Do we think we should start our own little asset just called turnips and we just go for it? I wonder if they have turnips. No, let's not go down that rabbit hole right now. Jose Maya, am I set up my trade? I haven't set it up. Number one, that doesn't look great. Number two, I'm waiting for London Open. I'm waiting for official London Open. Ooh, but this one. Yeah, and that's better. 2 for it to tap in there, so I have 1, 2. This is the only problem, this order block here. But this would be the better setup. Still waiting. How long? Oh my gosh, just. Okay. We got 12 minutes to go, which I think is cool. We can all just chat a little bit, make sure everything's ready for our charts. What is everyone's bias for today? Up gold now. Okay, Zach, you think it's going up now? Matt, I think a lot of people would tune in if I did that, but anyways, I'm going to long that and start the drop probably. Hi, Life! Why are you stealing my trading style? I'm gonna take this because it looks good, and then that is then the shift. Not how I'm confident to say stuff online, but I'm afraid to socially interact. Isn't that kind of weird? Oh no, Ethan, that's pretty normal. That's me. Look at how much I'm talking today, or just in general. You guys probably know I don't shut up. Not shutting up right now. In person, I'm as quiet as a mouse until people start talking to me, but I will never like initiate conversation because I'm yeah. Prosper, hi, how are you doing? Just CBA, what up? Aw, thanks, Remy. Well, I hope everyone here makes it into profits. This is a super supportive community. Okay, let's see if this would have been a win. I'm not doing it just because I'm nervous of trading pre-market. Could be a bad idea, could be a great idea. Let's see if this would have been a win. Yeah, let's see what happens. Joel, hi. Is who? Then? What? NQ keeps going up, but downfall might be super fast. Space, but when, you know, I agree, I think it could go down. There's so much liquidity sitting underneath, but when is the question. Vanny? I don't even know what that is. You think it's gonna start choppy then buying? Jose, I don't even want to pretend to know what it's gonna do. I think it's gonna keep going up. Maybe. I don't think it's close enough to. I was gonna say maybe it's gonna head for the Asia. I mean, maybe. Maybe London is hectic and we head for the Asia low and we do what it did yesterday where it comes down all the way. There's relative equal lows here. Sorry, actually, these are not relative. These equal lows and it's basically in line with the Asia low. So maybe it's gonna pop down for the Asia low, but you know, until change of, well, shift in structure, we're staying long. What does gaggy mean? On that pull you have the 0.2 lining up with that order block is nice. Look for that 4R. Some guy? Okay, let's see. That's what I was looking at. I was like, my other option was this entry. Which again, I didn't think was terrible, but let's see what would have worked, right? I'm still kind of forward testing this 4R strategy, trying to figure out the correct conditions for it. Yeah, it's a process. You know, it's not quick and easy. It's looking pretty bullish, at least for now. Yep. SVAT supported for now. Make me hunt lower prices needs to do a lot, and I doubt it. See, the rip, that's what I'm thinking as well. Until it proves otherwise, we're bullish. Gold is recovering, but not sure how much it'll go up. It's down 10%. Ooh, okay, thanks, Spaces. Cleo, so I'm using top 1 futures currently. Hell yeah, Jose. I want everyone to have whoop whoops, right? I want everyone here to have winning trades and winning days. We're super supportive here. The pullback pre-market could be a fake out to induce shorts, only to rip it up after tapping into that order block. Yep, gotta think what it's gonna wreck the most people. Right? Start thinking like the institutions. Hey, some guy. I think that's it. Gotta start thinking what the institute. I mean, yeah. Do I have preset entry and exit points, or do you enter and exit the market as you monitor its volatility? Eric, no, so I would then preset that this, so I was looking at this as my entry, but then some guy did have a very good point about this lovely juicy order block right here. Then theoretically my stop loss should be a little bit low. Sorry, I'm babbling on a little bit, but point is, when I see the setup, I would then set a limit order and a stop loss as well. Once it's in, I'll then set up my take profit. But yeah, that's why I sit and I watch and I wait for proper confirmation, like volatility and. But I do tend to put everything up. LP, what's the good idea? Spaces scalping fast in and out is safe right now. Yep. The people who lost some Bitcoin bought high and sold low. Anyone buying during the bull market is buying a mistake. The bear market is where the money is made. Some guy, that's interesting. Go for the 4R long. Okay, I'm gonna mitigate risk a little bit then. I'm not gonna risk the usual. Or should I? I mean, I could and just hopefully make it up later, right? Motive M? No. Buy it if you can. Lewitz. I'm gonna try the 4R. Let's see. How big is this? I'm gonna make my stop loss a bit. I'd give myself a few points. Just in case it wants to wick out. Okay, I'm gonna mitigate it a tiny bit. So essentially it's gonna look like this. Let's make my stop loss there. Nope, stop loss a little bit smaller. There. Basically 4R there. Cool. Tiny bit. That's from 3 New York Times. Rip, I'll have a look now. Sorry, I'll read what you said properly. Okay, but some guy in LP, you agree with moving the stop loss a tiny bit below? Or should I just leave it at the 0? Oh! Diamante, how dare you? How dare you? Aw, cheers some guy, enjoy. No, sorry, the rip, not too complicated. I just need to properly sit and read it. I very briefly skimmed it. No, sugar honey iced tea. I think it's gonna go up. What time is it? We got 3 minutes. Can I make it I was gonna say I'm gonna make it slightly smaller for 35. Yeah, I'll make it slightly smaller. But I think that's running away. Let's see if it comes back down. Gerard, am I a scalper or swing trader? Scalper. Okay, there we go. The rip, here we go. Take the opening price from 3 New York time. So 54 minutes ago. It's like 9 AM, right? Yep. Okay. And then closing price. If the close is above the open, you have 60 cents to take the high form in that range. Interesting, okay. So there, sorry, I'm just making little, wait, let me use different things so I don't get my brain complicated. For crying out loud. So the rip, do you put it at the top or would you rather make a box? Probably a box is better, huh? 16. Okay. In 4 minutes. Got it. Let's see. CD Mante, I'm trying. Okay, so you think keep it close at the 0. Let's see. Maya, how cold am I? I am a big baby when it comes to the cold. So, yeah. Hey, J&J Jasmine. How's it going? How you doing? Trading and learning and basically recording the journey of trading and learning and being taught and helped by this amazing community that just wants to love and support everyone. Yeah? Sorry, I hope that kind of answers. But yeah. Essentially, it's a lot of information overload sometimes. Oh, here we go. So there's the opening. Okay. Oh, you trading? Thanks! Well, yes and no. It means we're getting closer and closer to the 5K challenge. I didn't think it would happen so fast. I thought the 5K challenge would only be realistic like next year. But here we go. Yeah, it's gonna be great. What am I trading, Mr. MacLib? I'm gonna call you Mr. MacLib. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Micros to be specific. Sam? Hi, how's it going? Good morning. Jose, thank you. You're very sweet. Hey, real question. Do ladies like prefer fit guys with a six-pack or overweight guys with money? Andre, so real question, real answer. It depends on the person. You know, everyone has different preferences. So I can't speak for everyone. It's like asking, do you prefer trading gold or futures? Some people will say they prefer trading futures and some people say they prefer trading gold. Everyone has their different things. In the beginning, but opening price and closing price means now it's above the opening price, right? So you have your edge to the upside. Hey, thanks, Rip. Okay. Damn, so actually entering at the 50% looks like it would have been the way to go. Oh well, that's fine. Where was my other entry with the longer range? Out of curiosity. There. Ooh, would have missed it. Oh well. No man, be a brat. No. Oh well, that's fine. Andre, you make a mean portable, like you make your own portables. Aw, Spaces, you're very sweet, thank you. What companies? Not 100%, it's 60 to 70, so it means long term you're better served if you take that in consideration. No, but the Rip, that makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. That's very interesting, thanks. See, always learning new things. Me flex, what? Luvitz, are you asking me to flex? Urgh. Nailed it. Unknown, extra large, love from India. Aw, love back from South Africa. Michael Phillips' favorite prop firm. I don't think I've been trading long enough to necessarily have a favorite, but I'm currently using top 1 futures. Oh, I don't know if they are here, but someone yesterday used my affiliate code and I just wanted to say a massive shout out to them. Obviously I don't get the name of who did it, but just a massive shout out. Thank you for the support if you're watching. Yeah, I just want to say that. Thank you. Thanks for using my code. The support is appreciated. way of looking at it. Livitz, are you asking me if I'm fat and rich? Oh, ooh, damn, Rip. This went... Hold my beer. Look at me go. Damn, I should have maybe stuck with the 50% entry. That's okay though. Let me put this here and just make note. Oh, too big. Way too big. 14. And market. Again. Okay. Just gonna pop that there. All-time highs, let's do that. I don't know why I said it like that. All-time highs, let's do this. Let's see what happens. Ah, oh, the headache's gone. Oh, nice. I only got $1,000. Is it possible to have 10,000 within 12 months using risk it all or zero? Right? I guess it depends on your strategy, but I think risking it all is a bit risky. Oh, Zach. So we're nearly whooping is what I hear. What companies? Oh, sorry, I'm just on the Nasdaq futures. Oh, okay, Livitz got it, got it. Andre ran away. Hell yeah, Jose, let's do this. No more headaches for the win. This looks good, except for the fact that it took out the highs. So maybe this is better. Ooh. Ooh, no. One, two, three. Zane, bias today is just buys until proven otherwise, I guess. 7, nearly 10. Okay, I'm trying not to let FOMO win, right? We're gonna stick with buys until proven otherwise. It is climbing. This could potentially be a loss. I think it is High Life. I think this is FOMC day. Whoop whoop for hot shake days, Jose. It'll break that low, then maybe it'll go back up. Diamante, you think so? I mean, it's hitting this resistance pretty hard. Okay. Though it looks like maybe it just missed me by a tick. Ah, it did too. How's this? Shoot, that was the entry. Interesting. Okay. Diamante, you say 260 is the buy limit. Why? Lich. Well, I haven't placed a trade yet. How's yours looking? Hey, Metalhead, how's it going? I mean, on the 5-minute, this looks really good. With this solid order block. But it did fall to value gap now. Metalhead, you know what? I cannot complain. Cannot complain. No. I have my 3. So. Would be 10. Zane, why do you think I'm so nervous right now? I don't know. I don't like saying nervous, but essentially nervous. Okay, so Lich, what are you looking for? What are you looking at? I mean, the big wicks up are not promising. Well, 10 contracts is the way to go, so let's do this. Let's see what happens. Right, stop overthinking. Just do it. If it's a loss, it is what it is. No, shoot. That's not promising. Oh well. But gotta look at the bright side. Took the correct amount of contracts. Oh, this is gonna screw me solidly. On the 5-minute, that order block was so good though. Oh gosh. Oh well, let's see what happens. Made an inverse fair value gap on the 1-minute. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Do I use MetaTrader app? No, sorry. Yeet? Can I call you Yeet? Let's see what happens. Oopsie. Oh well, we're in this thing. No, son, I bought. Aw. Mario, that's so mean. What did I do to upset your cat? But your cat, I get upset if animals don't like me. Thanks, the rip, thank you. And like I said, I at least did proper amount of contracts. So win or lose, I had my confirmation. I had the correct range. I double checked on the higher time frame. Sorry, can you see I'm going through my checklist? By longed, we can start shorting. I mean, high life, yeah, go for it. That's basically about right. Shiva, hey, how you doing? I trade Nasdaq. Yeet. Metalhead, that's sometimes debatable, but I'll take it, thank you. Okay, but I had my 1, 2. I had my 3 confluences, so... Lich, I'm in a long, so if you guys want to short now, probably the right choice. Let's see though. A little bit of resistance. I'm looking at this. I wanted to bounce properly off the 5-minute order block. Come on, give a good bounce dip. You see, it did tap into the body. Got a little bit of resistance. Ah. Zane, chat is so weird today, is it? Oh, right, sorry, Michelle. Market, fast execution, don't try to scalp, big candle, play the market. Do I check news? Not so much, to be honest. Oopsie, there it goes. Oh, I'll just have to quickly go check what that freaking noise was. Hello, are we good? Yeah, not under attack? Then we're good, okay. Dog says we're okay. Lich? Yep, thanks. Michael, which pair is my favorite? Well, I mean, I trade the Nasdaq future, so it's not really a pair. Boom banana, what? What did you just see fall out your cabinet? That's a bit scary. Naren? I'm from South Africa. That's hilarious. Yep, there it is. Okay. It starts popping up now. I'm gonna be grumpy, but it's fine. Let's make a note of this. So put the right amount of contracts. So that's good. What should now be the 4-off freaking trade? Okay. I placed it around there. So let me make notes. Unfortunately, it was a loss, but it is what it is. Influences me. Okay. Can't. If Boom Banana has a... Yeah, Boom definitely has a cat. Zach, took my advice and went short. Nice, Zach, so are you happy now? Are we whoop whooping? Aw, Metalhead, that's so sweet. What is banging? Okay, I need to go check something. Give me 2 seconds. Let me go see what's going on. I mean, my dog's not barking at it, but it's making a lot of noise. Give me a second. I'll leave the microphone on. You heard that, right? Right. Are you hearing this? Okay, I'm gonna leave the microphone on, and if I stop screaming, you guys can witness some crazy stuff. No idea. Anyways. Correct emoticons. You know what? This is my neighbor fixing his gate, but my goodness. Correct emoticons. Nervous. Must work on emotions. There we go. Ooh, I spelled nervous like a stop. Okay. Oh! What the actual heck was this? What? Should have used the 4-hour contract there. What the actual hey diddly day is this? Okay. Start now. Wow, that sucks. That sucks. 4R strategy would have hit perfectly, literally to the T. This is what my 4R strategy would look like. Where's 4? That's just not very nice, is it? Hey, Michael, what's up? That was just rude. Yeah, just pop that like that. So I had the right idea. It literally just... Yeah, Rip, like you said. Your long worked. You did great, by the way. Don't worry about it. You made the right decision by taking that. Thanks, Rip. Yeah, like you said, it was the right call. Just a tiny bit the wrong... Yeah, should have maybe just used my 4R strategy. Oh well. Which broker do I use for FX? Well, I mean, I'm on top on futures because I'm not trading it. Michael, oh, I'm also a newbie. Welcome, 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 welcome. The Rip, thank you. That's very, very sweet. I really appreciate that. Okay, now, let's see. It's taking out internal liquidity, but it has not made any internal liquidity here, so... Nope, I'm being a silly banana. Okay. Created an inverse fair value gap. Let's check the 2-minute. Wait, I'm just gonna quickly hide everything for a second. I think it's a good day to forward test the 4R strategy. This does not look great on the 5-minute, does it? Not really. Oh, thanks, Michael. Yeah. And sometimes, I think a lot of people think I keep it too simple. But I do feel like sometimes simple is the way to go. You know, a lot of people say trading theoretically shouldn't be complicated. Shoot, I think this was the entry. Nope, maybe not. 2. This is so volatile. This is so volatile. I was thinking of trying the 4R strategy here. Oh no. Maybe I should have taken it. Let's see, this is super volatile today. I guess forward testing the 4R strategy is not bad. Let's see if it would have worked out. Maybe it's gonna come full in here. Market in a high time frame. Don't try to scalp in 1 minute. Trading museum, better to wait, not the time to scalp. Anyways. Kush, I am focusing on charts. Ah, you little blum. Okay, let's see if the 4R would have worked. Maybe it's a break of structure. Kush, you think it's a downtrend? Why? So heal, no spamming please, and let's keep this about trading possibly. Donkey. CPM buddy. I should buy. I did buy. There. Got literally... I don't want to say wicked out because it wasn't like a massive wick. I got kicked out and then it went straight for TP. So rude. Now I'm gonna short it. Do I have Spotify? Well, no, I have Apple Music. And Zach, here we go. Cool. So, Kush, what English, what indicator did you use that made you say you think it's going to be a short now? Bacon burner? Thank you, I think. This is volatility. I go in and out as it gives me a profit without worrying about a stop or TP, but that's just me. But spaces, do you mark it in? They got me too long after a stop. Oh. High life? What the heck was this though? They did, literally, high life. I went, okay, let's do buys. So it went down. Then you were like, okay, now let's do buys. And so it went down. Yeah, it just doesn't like us very much, does it, high life? I think we need to throw a little protest and say, this sucks. After 4:25, be right back. Okay, cheers, rip. Bacon burner, sorry, why? I just use trend lines and ascending trend line, 3 touch points, sell. Ooh, cool, Zach. And what's your win rate with that? You go in the move. Okay, cool, so you buy in. Your approach into trading futures is to buy at price consistent to markets averaging out. Interesting. Spaces 1 minute candle. So Heal, what did you ask? Boom. What? Moving on. Guys, what is going on today? Did all the weird hey, rip! It came, touched the opening candle, and is now going back up. This is some seek and destroy nonsense going on around here right now. Took. We're gonna go all the way back up again. It's fine. Skeletor. Eggs. Okay. Damn, all the people out here today, aren't they? Holy moly. Come on, come on. Why are we not working? There we go. Done. Peace Ninja, how much did we make today? Down for now, but let's see. I wonder if it's headed to VWAP. Let's look here. I need to just wait for confirmation now. Wouldn't have even popped up that high. Okay, well, seeming as it's wanting to do some seek and destroy fun times. But I short the M1 fair value gap at the top. Zach? I drew that the wrong way around, didn't I? Volume's dried up a little bit. I wonder if entering at the 50% would be the way to go, but this is not really an A+ setup for me, so I'm wanting to say no. Fact finder, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Sweet Steve, you got a couple burgers to trade, and the algorithm sent you here. The algorithm trying to say I need to eat some burgers. Hey, David, welcome. How are you doing? Yo, damn. All the people are out today. Slums the Stallion. Do you think Unity on Unreal is more overhead? Also, have you made any games in Rust and Leopard managing the heap? What? Oh, Slams. Okay, no, you're wrong thing again. Oh, Zach, are you serious? To be fair, it's been doing that pretty decently. Let's see if it goes back down. That's quite far down. Zach, where's your entry at? 15 and 45 close down. Ooh, okay. Have I heard of Bravo's research? I have not. The trick is the time aspect. I want to keep an amount that's... And when I see that I can risk what I can average out, I use leverage. That's interesting, Michael. Okay. Sweet Steve? Yeah, I'm gonna wait for some solid confirmation. I wait for it to stop doing some seek and destroy a bull. You can fill in the blank. They're trying for some pullback. Yeah. You're being censored, Slum? Are you? What do I think is right for me? And filter all the noise here in the chat. Everyone has an opinion. Yeah, 100% spaces. Don't worry. I end up doing that, but some of the advice is just amazing. I mean, you guys see things completely differently to one another sometimes as well. Which, yes, I'm not gonna lie, it can sometimes be confusing when like half are saying it's a buy and half are saying it's a sell. But at the end of the day, I do try and stick with my strategy. Like I would have potentially looked for a short here, but this is not an A+ setup, and I'm trying to be better with regards to my A+ setups. So I mean, this was a good setup for me. Just unfortunately, it's quite volatile today. I mean, I'm not gonna complain. Yesterday was boring as hell. Today is very entertaining, but anyways. Incubit edging on me this past week. I need to adapt and stop being a bear. Mr. Night Scribe. Cool name, by the way. You're being censored. You're saying something which will probably get you bad. Tell them, David. Be right back. My dog's asking to go out. Okay. Did I miss things? I feel like I missed things. Cool. Spaces. How long have you been... Seriously? Anyways, what I was saying is Spaces, how long have you been trading for? Price wants to make new highs and lows to satisfy trend. But you're not waiting for trend price to show you what it wants. Okay, okay. Just liquidity, your levels are good, but you're entering on the impulse, not the retest. Okay, so just liquidity. Sorry if this sounds maybe like a potential dumb question, but what should I be looking out for? Like, what are the key signs, I guess? Yeah, the key signs that it's the retest and not the impulse, out of curiosity. Watch, naturally, it didn't take this one, so this one's gonna be good. Anyways, moving on. You want A plus 5 minutes before opening market during New York session would be your best bet. Isn't that like a little bit risky out of curiosity? Oh, whoop whoop, Zach, that's amazing. Well done. That is awesome. And since 2017, damn. Slowly edging on 10 years there, Spaces. I'm assuming it's going well for you. Oh no. Okay, everyone, just stay clear of David today. It's gonna be entertaining. Sun, don't buy for now. Don't worry, I was looking at shorts. So this would have been what I was looking at. But I did not have enough confirmation for this entry. I did say that volume had dried up, so, you know, I wasn't hating it, but again, I didn't have enough confirmation for it. It was not an A plus setup. So naturally, it's a win because I didn't take it. Anyways. Yeah, so that would have been a goodie. Oh well. It is what it is. I think, and this is just my opinion, news is one thing, but supply and demand is another. Bernard, have I heard of CRT? No, what is CRT? Spaces, you're okay? Are you okay? Like when you got stopped out, it took your liquidity. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then it went up. So... You little bugger. What the heck? Okay, well, didn't take that one. Oh well. Hey, Dreamer boys, what up? How are you doing? I'm good. I'm good. Joseph? Yeah, can't complain. Market change? Yep. Had a proper change of character now. But is it going to just bounce off a VWAP? Looks like it's here taking this. Oh, damn. Okay, here we go. Oh, cool. Thanks. I think you don't stream on weekends. That's when I'm more... Okay, David. Oh, Envy? Nice. How long did it take? Therefore, basically your long idea TP. Oh, what? Zach, that's awesome. That is amazing. Well done. That is super cool. It's support and resistance will harm. Mm-hmm. Hey, our second. Good. How you doing? Okay. This is quite a good level. Noted. Okay. Well, that's a discount. Yep. Now market unstoppable. What's happening now? The trend. We're securing our profit for the day. Son, are you in a sell? Dreamer boys, which indicators am I using? Well, VWAP, if you're asking what's on the chart. I keep my chart quite neutral. I know it annoys some people, but if it's too chaotic, I feel a bit chaotic. But yeah, I have VWAP on, but otherwise I look out for my fair value gaps, my order blocks. I call them my shelves. Don't know. But yeah, those are kind of what I look out for. David, take that leave. I mean, no, because I didn't get in on the trade, David, but fine. Hey, Franks, how you doing? Yeah. Dream boys, that's the plan. Okay, so we've had a proper change now, so. I'm not loving the volatility today, but it's fine. Just liquidity, yeah. You know, sometimes if there's too much going on, you start to overthink everything and anything. Okay. What 1, 2, 3. This is a solid one. How big is this? At my shelves I have this. Wait, what I have not done is I have not confirmed on higher timeframes. Promising. That's good. This is either a bad idea or a great idea. Next time you think about not getting into trade, just think, sure, why not? Player X, that's very sweet of you, thanks. Zane trades, it's not actually that cold. I'm just a baby. It's actually summer. I'm sensitive. You know what? I have my thing set up. Lost the volume. Pushing up. Yeah. Put my shelf. 2, 3. Yeah. No, I wish. Actually, not a green day. It's a little bit of a red day with missed trades. So that's great. What demon am I going to be for Halloween? I'm not going to be a demon. I'm going to be a pirate. We are melting here. Yep, Dane. Are you melting? I mean, listen, again, it's actually summer here. I am just a proper baby. No. I had my three. I had my three. I had my three. Corrable? Retracement? Are you asking if I'm hoping for it to retrace and then go back in? Let's see. Maya's gonna be in a nah. Guys, like I said, it is actually summer here. I'm just a very big baby when it comes to the cold. And I had a headache this morning, so having my headband on was like hurting my brain. Do I use programming for trading? No, I don't. Corrabo, you asking if I think it's going to go into the fair value gap? What? Are you asking about this fair value gap? Because it did kind of retrace back into that one. Let's see. Sorry, listening to all the motorbikes and all the noise go on today. It's fine. No, come Wi-Fi. This might pop up and screw me. Let's see what happens. Do I trade at the curve? And if so, what follow when you base your position on candlestick? How do you risk? One of your strong points. Bernard, what strategy do I trade? I trade my own little strategy, I guess you could say, but it uses SMC and ICT indicators. Well, yeah, indicators and complemences. Hey, Boom, are you in the red? Don't worry, me too. Except I'm down a lot more than that. Just one bad trade. But point is, I'm putting the correct amount of contracts in, so it's fine. Boom, what do you think of this, by the way? Okay, well, let's hope so, son. Thanks, David. Yeah, guys, if you're at least enjoying the entertainment of watching my brain fry a little bit, please don't forget to press that like button. I said this earlier, but I'll say it again. A massive shout out to someone who used my affiliate code. I think it was yesterday or Monday. Massive shout out to them. Thank you for the support. Shout out to anyone that has used my affiliate code. Again, the support really means a lot. Thank you. Only True Trader, what up? Did you miss anything? Yeah, I had one loss earlier. It would have been a perfect 4-hour trade though. Damn. Anyways, and I have placed this potential one. This looks like a goodie. Let's see. Let's see. But Only True Trader, how about you? You popped any trades in? What's the plan? No volume to the far side. I should actually quickly pop this up on. Sorry, just taking a screenshot of this quick sticks. Right, gotta keep record. Only True Trader? Yeah, right. That's the... You little blixum. Come get me. Oh no, I spoke too soon. It heard me, it's angry. What a fun trade. This might take a while. Zach, do you like stay at your computer or phone or PC or whatever? Oh no. whatever it is that you use, like, do you stay at it until the trade's complete, or do you like close it and just set your limits and walk away? What's your thing that you do, Zach? Hey Dax, how's it going? The actual audacity. What the heck? Manipulation in at the market, now big candle in. Okay. Zach, you'll set alert and walk away, but I'm here for a few hours. Mornings are 2 to 3 hours of paddle. But I don't trade Tokyo. Oh, cool. Okay. The hill. Trading is gambling. Only if you're going all in and doing silly billy things. But if you have your correct risk management, the correct psychology, your correct strategy, then I wouldn't, then it's trading. Then it's not gambling. There's still risk to it, don't get me wrong. Always risk, but yeah. There we go, Dabski. Tell him. If it had gone itty bitty little bit more. The disrespect. Cheers, Joseph. Enjoy. Day, week, and yeah. Oh, okay, well, hopefully we'll see you again. You can bring more of your blessings back here. Awesome. Are we just gonna be ranging now? It's a game of probability. There we go. I like that. I like to say guesstimating. Because you're estimating, you're using probability, you're estimating it could do this or that, but it's still a little bit of a guess. But no one tells what they're doing. It's always so vague. What do you mean visual? What do you mean visual F? Do you want to elaborate? Because I'm more than happy to tell you what's going on here. I literally hide nothing. That's why I have everything up on display so everyone can see like how my eval's doing, what I've lost or gained for the day. You know, I'm definitely not here wanting to say that this is a get rich quick thing. Because it's not. It takes a while. Hey, Dart Trader, also Master. I don't know how I feel about that. JJ, what up? How's it going? Visual, can I explain what I'm doing? So right now I had set up a trade based on the 3 confluences. We've had a change of character, but to the downside, I had my 3 confluences, so I set up my strategy, which is just a GAN box, and I placed my orders. It did not come up to get me though. Yeah, did not come up high enough. Literally, it missed me by, what's that, like 3-4 ticks maybe? It's just rude. And now it's melting down to where my TP would have been. Again, rude. Spaces. Trading is not easy. No. No. I think that's the misconception. I think it's why so many people stop. It's because somewhere along the line, someone said trading is easy. No. Someone lied and said you can make millions doing off of this and there's like only 3 simple steps and blah, 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 blah. Nope, it's not easy at all. Karabel, is it liquidity sweep? No. I don't think so. This retracement was to fill the gap. It just didn't fill high enough in. Oh, it respected this shelf. Damn it. go. Just gonna make sure it still sticks with the correct amount of contracts. What? Okay, thank you. Yeah, we're still good. It's a game of incomplete information. Oh, I like that. Means you can collect positive expected value and be profitable. Oh, the rip, I like that a lot. It's a game of incomplete information. And you're kind of trying to fill in the blanks. We are all your fellow whoop whoop disciples. I love that. Ah, flip, that's brilliant. Oh, I see we've run out of oomph now. Oh well. Trading is the hardest way to make an easy living. Zach, I like that. So I know I've said this again. This is for people who I haven't said this to because I like the metaphor quite a bit. Instead of looking at the losses as losses, right? I've changed my perspective. My losses are tuition. You know, some people spend all this money going to varsity and there they have the benefit of having a lecturer and. But point is, they spend all this money to go for like 4 years to learn things at varsity to then go make money. It's similar. Think of your losses while you are learning as your tuition being paid. If that makes sense. Oh, come on, just short it. I was trying easy Spanish quiz, but it missed me. Okay, this I now think has gotten a little bit big. Thus, I'll change to 9. Can I even change to 9 contract? No, I can still stay at 10. And there's the liquidity sweep. There's the liquidity sweep grabble. You can see I made a note here. On the 5 minutes, that's a really good sweep. So it could potentially pop back up now. And I still got my shelf. Still got that. Yep, sorry. What does it look like on the 5 minutes? I see Wi-Fi is going slow. It's okay. Oh, I've missed a lot of information here, sorry. The rip. Valid. Fun fact, must note that essentially distribution track. User, you think what you want to think. You do that. It's so big because trading absolutely falls into that category of probability, but through management, discipline, and risk management. Yeah, even if it. Interesting. Envy, if you don't dream about charts, you're not locked in enough. Visual F, isn't it easier to buy and hold? Okay, so you're thinking about investing. Sorry, so I'm doing scalping or day trading, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, there's arguments for and against. Oh, English closed half, now at London low. Ooh, okay, Zach. Oh, which means it could bounce up properly now. Is this just making equal lows? Am I still in? Is this still a bad idea? Let's wait and see. Skeletor, yes. Buying and holding long term is safe, but trading short term is higher risk. Visual F, yes, but you can also lose everything. You know, it's part of the risk. Stick with one strategy only. Hold the winner. Okay, on the 5-minute, we have not changed or broken structure yet. How do you look on the 1 hour? Sorry. Thinking. Oh my goodness, not the Wi-Fi being silly. Seriously. Oh shoot, it's time. Aw. Aw, okay. I flipping hope. Let me just do this. I don't remember cancelling my contracts, but I flipping hope they did. Okay. I see my Wi-Fi is having a moment. Ooh, damn, Jeremy coming here with the facts. I like that, Dax. Oh my gosh. Well, this is not ideal. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Plug there. Okay. I'm just making sure I'm not still in something before I go. Why are we doing this today? Are you serious, Diamante? Oh. Okay. Diamante, you scared the living daylights out of me. That was so mean. Oh. Goodness gracious, Diamante. That scared me. That actually scared me. I was like, what do you mean? Okay, well, I'm gonna leave this up out of curiosity, but I think unfortunately it did not get me. And it's fine. Let me call it there. Unfortunately, one loss for today, but if we're looking at the bright side, I took a trade. It was an A+ setup. It just swept the liquidity before it went up, so I had the right idea. Oh, damn, Diamante. Woo! Thanks for that. Thanks for giving me a minor heart attack at the ripe young age of 26. I appreciate it. That was very sweet of you. Okay, got it. You scared me. Okay, anyways, I'm then gonna call it there. I'm gonna leave this up to see what happens. By Larry Williams. Okay, Envy, I'll have a look. Ducks at the park, keeping attacking my dog. He's a purebred. Hell yeah, Diamante, I'm awake now. Topin, sorry, I'm not on Trading View. Okay. Okay. Let me call it there. I'm gonna be back for the New York session. I'll be back for the New York session. Let's see. Unfortunately, we're in the red, but it is what it is, right? I'm not upset with the trade. I had the right idea. You know, things happen. But I'm gonna call it there. You guys are amazing. I hope you have whoop whoops. You can tell me when I come back for the New York session if it's whoop whoops. I'm excited. I love you guys madly, and I'll see you then later, hopefully. Have an amazing session. Safe trading. I love you guys. Oh, and again, yeah, if you guys want to support, if you're with any of the prop firms that are in, well, above right now or in my description below, and you want to use my code and show some support, that would be amazing. Thank you. And don't forget to like the stream. Yeah. Okay. I think that's everything. Love you. Bye.